Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when a Call of Duty shows FB mobile login error. So let's get started. So if you open your Call of Duty mobile app, okay, as you can see here, if you open and if it shows any error to you, like if you open it, if you have not updated the app like me, it will be not like open and log in with your Facebook and it will show the same error. So make sure you have been with the latest version and you have to clear your data, then it will be work. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. If you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.